Autonomous State Demand Committee at Singhasan Constituency Committee was reported to have been reshuffled here on Sunday. The regional political party as Duar Amla Constituency Committee was also formed here today. Simultaneously, the party as Dansari Constituency Committee was also reported to have been formed this afternoon. Party leader Daniel Teron, Sanjay Kiling and couple of affiliate members of the committee were seen at the gatherings. As the people have been facing trouble in communication, deplorable road of Dipu Hidi Langso was reportedly been revamped here on Sunday. The reparation of terrible road of Hidi Langso to Gita Ashram was carried out by Hidi Langso Youth Committee here this morning.